Hi, in this video, I'm going to reveal everything you need to know about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I know that losing weight isn't easy, but don't worry because I will be solving all of your questions regarding this tonic. I will also share its secret ingredients along with the benefits that this product offers and how effective it might actually be for you. Although, if you're in a hurry, please feel free to check the timestamps in the description below. But before we get started, you should understand the disclaimer. Do consult a doctor prior to trying this product if you have any medical conditions. This tonic will not make you lose weight overnight. Weight loss takes time and it won't give you instant results. Now let's uncover what Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic actually is. It is a powder supplement made with natural ingredients designed by Mike Banner, a firefighter living in Florida. Mike worked with Dr. Tamaki, a Japanese cardiologist, and came up with this amazing tonic. This tonic has been formulated by using secret ingredients that people living in Okinawa, which is an island in Japan, consume usually to stay healthy. Now, if you're thinking how this product is going to help you lose weight, let me explain to you a simple biological process. Our body contains a protein called C-reactive protein, also known as CRP, which interferes with the working of the mitochondria. When the mitochondria is disturbed, a metabolic hormone called adiponectin is slowed down and leads to accumulation of fat in the body, which means that the body is unable to break down nutrients into energy and hence cling on to fat cells, resulting into weight gain. But the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic may help you activate adiponectin by targeting CRP. Anthocyanins present in this tonic may reduce fat cells in the body and heat up fat cells to release energy. It might even kickstart thermogenesis in your body, which is the process of burning fat into energy. If you're struggling to lose weight and feel like you cannot jumpstart your weight loss journey, here's your chance to get the desired body that you've always wanted. This tonic initiates weight loss and maintains healthy blood sugar levels. It promotes healthy brain and memory performance while boosting energy levels as you age. Not just that, but it also boosts your metabolism and is a ready-to-drink tonic which is hassle-free and convenient to use. Coming to the usage of the product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes in a powder form and you need to consume 1 scoop every day around 10 am or 1 hour before having a light breakfast. You just need to mix the tonic powder with water or milk and simply just drink it. Keep drinking the tonic regularly for at least a month to see some results. Since everybody is different, results may vary and may take longer for some people to lose weight. One bottle of this tonic will cost you $69, but if you buy the 90-day supply with 3 bottles, you can get it for just $59 per bottle. And if you buy the 160-day supply with 6 bottles, you'll get each bottle for just $49. If you're thinking, what if it doesn't work for me? Well, don't worry, because it also comes with a 100% refund policy within 60 days of the purchase. Let me tell you about the magical ingredients present in this tonic. It includes a variety of berries, minerals, herbs, and plant extracts which make it effective and might give you good results. It consists of 3 blends, the first one being the polyphenol blend. This blend contains fruits and berries for improved immunity and good digestion. Along with that, it also contains the following key ingredients. Aronia berry, which cools the inflamed digestive system and is a good source of fiber. It is also known as chokeberry, and you can read more about its benefits here. Acai berry has potent anthocyanin, which supports brain health and helps maintain a healthy cholesterol level. It also provides good antioxidant effects to the body. Mulberry helps maintain blood sugar levels and contains a substance called rutin, which initiates fat loss. Hibiscus sabdarifa, which is a flower, leads to inch loss and helps to reduce body fat easily. You must have heard about hibiscus tea, and a study suggests that it promotes weight loss and provides antioxidants to the body. This metabolic boosting blend contains the following key ingredients. EGCG plant compound, which is found in green and white tea, burns fat and is also linked to rejuvenation of your skin cells. It leads to significant weight loss, and to know more about this, you can read this study. Another ingredient is piperine, an antioxidant extracted from black pepper. It helps in keeping fat storage at bay and blocks out the fat cell formation. Shilajit, extracted from mountains of Asia, contains 85 minerals and gives a boost of energy. It helps to overcome obesity and provides numerous other benefits which are listed here. The ginger root present in this helps in digestion and boosts your libido. It also helps you to lose weight. Learn more about this here. Turmeric spice promotes healthy joints. Momedica charantia, also known as bitter melon, is extracted from a tropical vine and helps in decreasing fat from the midsection of the body. It also helps with insulin resistance and fat loss as suggested by a study. The third blend is probiotic and prebiotic digestive support blend. This blend includes multiple substances like Bacillus infantis, Bifidobacterium longum, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus acidophilus. It also includes inulin, which is extracted from the root of chicory plant that targets visceral fat and helps to keep your cravings away. It is a type of prebiotic and promotes good digestion. This tonic contains adequate fiber content which will help you feel fuller for longer. It doesn't have any allergens and is soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free and vegetarian. The ingredients are 100% organic and it is GMO-free as well. If you're worried about the side effects of this tonic, then let me tell you that this product is 100% organic and made only with natural ingredients. It is FDA approved and follows GMP facility with regular checks for potency and quality. But before you click off this video, let me warn you about the various scams that are happening on YouTube. There are numerous people putting out reviews for this tonic and telling the exact same story of how they got scammed. If you dig a bit deeper, you'd also see that they have tested other weight loss supplements and have said the same thing about all of them. I know it can be hard to trust online reviews and make a purchase based on that, especially when biased reviews are being put out, but go with what feels right to you. Just be aware of such scammers and make sure to do proper research before you proceed to buy this tonic. If you feel that this product might benefit you, then don't hesitate to go ahead and try it from the link below. If you're still skeptical, just know that if this product doesn't work for you, you can get a full refund within 90 days from the date of your purchase. So you really have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to lose by trying and everything to gain if successful. So by all means, just go ahead and try. Please understand that we refuse to recommend anything to you without proper research conducted by a team of 10 people. And that wraps up this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to be the first to be notified about the offers and scams running in the supplement industry. Bye, take care.